My dear students, welcome back to chemistry class. So in previous class we have discussed about the hydration of alkenes to prepare alcohols. So now in this class we are going to discuss about the hydroboration oxidation reaction and oxymercuration demercuration reaction. Right, let us go for hydroboration oxidation reaction beta. It was very important for theory cum objective point of view. Nana. Let us go for this statement. So first of all, alkenes on reaction with diborane in presence of THF gives trialkyl borane, which upon oxidation with hydrogen peroxide in presence of alkali, it gives alcohols, or we can say one alcohols, because of OH will be attacks upon first carbon only as per anti-Markovnikov rule. Right. So here sir, what is mean by THF? Tetrahydrofuran. Tetrahydrofuran. This is the structure of tetrahydrofuran. Here oxygen will be there, Nana. It acts as supporting base, or we can say, okay, na solvent भी बोल सकते हैं, Nana. Right. Anyway, so alkenes on reaction with the diborane in presence of THF gives a trialkyl borane, which upon oxidation with hydrogen peroxide in presence of alkali, it gives alcohols. Very important. Right, for this statement, now here I am going to show you the reaction. Let us go for alkene. Yes, I am going to take the formula. Unsymmetrical alkene, the formula is nothing but CH3 bonded to CH, double bond CH2. So what is the compound name? Propane, or we can say that one propane. No problem, beta. Right, it upon addition with what, Nana? Diborane. Diborane formula B2H6, and also इसका मोनोमर भी ले सकते हैं. मोनोमर फार्मूला BH3, डाइमर फार्मूला B2H6, monomer formula BH3, borane, diborane. So both we can consider as you wish, Nana, anyone. Right. So it upon reaction with borane, or we can say that diborane, formula is nothing but BH3. BH3 taken twice, लिखे समझो, that is nothing but diborane. Okay, no problem. So addition of diborane takes place in presence of the reagent is nothing but THF, or we can say tetrahydrofuran. Right, Nana. So how to do the hydroboration step? This is step 1. Addition of BH3 is step 1. That is hydroboration step, Nana. Right. Before going to show that, I want to say that BH3 is nothing but borane. BH3 is nothing but borane. It acts as electrophile. How borane will be act as electrophile? Around boron here, 3 hydrogens are there. And boron contain one vacant p orbital. Vacant p orbital means electron deficient species, and electron deficient species are known as electrophiles. So we can say that boranes or diboranes, they act as electron deficient species, or we can say electrophiles, or we can say that Lewis acid. But as compared to hydrogen, boron contain little bit electropositive nature. So boron charge is plus and hydrogen charge is nothing but minus. Be careful, Nana. Very important. So in borane or diborane, hydrogen charge is negative and boron charge is nothing but positive. Right, Nana. So in propane, here one CH3 group is there. CH3 means, yes, it is nothing but it shows positive inductive effect too, means a displacement of sigma bonded electrons. Due to this displacement of electron, this pi bond goes to be delocalized towards the CH2 carbon. So automatically this carbon will be act as a donor, and this carbon will be act as what, beta? Acceptor. So okay, CH charge is a plus. प्लस के ऊपर अपन आप क्या अटैक कर सकते हैं? H minus we can attack upon CH plus. So CH3 bonded to CH, its charge is what? Plus attacked by minus, so we can say that CH2. One of the hydrogen I am going to be attack upon CH. So double bond becomes what, beta? CH, single bond. Again the group is nothing but CH2, but CH2 contain minus. Minus के ऊपर क्या करना? Plus. The plus is nothing but B plus. Already it contained remaining 2 hydrogen. Only 1 hydrogen was given here. Remaining group is nothing but BH2. This is your intermediate, Nana. Again it reacts with, one more mole of propene. CH3 bonded to CH, double bond CH2. Means intermediate again going to be reacts with one more mole of alkene. Again here also we have to follow the same mechanism. Central CH contain charge plus going to be attacked by H minus. Hydrogen को यहाँ पर एक shift कर देना पड़ेगा. So propyl group. Now how many propyl we are going to get, Nana? 2 propyl groups. CH3 bonded to CH2, again bonded to CH2, all taken twice, 1 propyl, 2 propyl. To the CH we are giving here 1 hydrogen. So remaining is only BH group. Again it also acts as what, Nana? Intermediate. Due to availability of 1 more mole of H minus, it can react with 1 more mole of propane. Very important. CH3 bond CH, double bond CH2. Again here also H contain plus के ऊपर can attack what? H minus. So one of the H minus going to be attacks upon CH. It becomes CH2, double becomes single. Again CH2 means 2 propyl and 1 more propyl. Total propyl groups are 3. So we can say that CH3 bonded to CH2, again bonded to CH2, all taken thrice. 2 propyl, 1 propyl, total 3 propyl groups are there. Hydrogen given to CH, CH becomes CH2, remaining is only B. This is your final intermediate. Its name is nothing but trialkyl borane. What we can say, beta? Trialkyl borane, or we can say tripropyl borane, as you wish. So now the tripropyl borane, this is the intermediate after step 1 after hydroboration. Now it undergoes step 2, means oxidation. Oxidation with what? Hydrogen peroxide. So trialkyl borane, or we can say tripropyl borane, it upon oxidation. Oxidation with what, Nana? Hydrogen peroxide. Exactly, we have to be consider 3 moles of hydrogen peroxide. Oxidation takes place with hydrogen peroxide, but in presence of which medium I told you? Alkali medium. Right. 3 moles of H2O2 means it contains 6 OH groups. 3 moles of H2O2 means it contains totally 6 OH groups. How? First suppose HO, again OH. This is nothing but peroxy linkage. OO, peroxy bond. H2O2. How many moles? 3 moles. So 3 OH, 3 OH. Total how many OH groups are there? 6 OH groups are there, Nana. यहाँ से bond break कर दे. Either 3 OH, either 3 OH. Total 6 OH groups are there. So 3 OH given to this alkyl group. So 3 moles of CH3, CH2, CH2OH. We are getting our final product. 3 moles of propyl group as it is, 3 moles of CH3, CH2, CH2. So upon oxidation with hydrogen peroxide, we have to take 3 moles of OH2. So this is our product. So this is nothing but propane, 1-ol, or we can say the product name is nothing but 1-propanol. Which product, beta? 1-propanol. What about the byproduct? Here 1 boron is there and here 3 OH groups are there. BOH taken thrice. This is your byproduct, Nana. BOH taken thrice, or we can say H3BO3. This is your byproduct. The byproduct name you also know very well. This is nothing but what, beta? Boric acid. I hope you understand. Once again I am going to explain for you. Listen carefully. So alkanes on reaction with diborane, or we can say borane, in presence of THF gives trialkyl borane, which upon oxidation with hydrogen peroxide in presence of alkali, that gives what, beta? Alcohols, or we can say that 1 alcohols. Right. So alkene is nothing but propane on reaction with borane in presence of THF, that gives intermediate 1, 2, 3. What is the first intermediate? Monopropyl borane, dipropyl borane, tripropyl borane, or we can say monoalkyl borane, dialkyl borane, trialkyl borane. So followed by hydrolysis in presence of what, Nana? Hydrogen peroxide in presence of alkali. We are getting the product is nothing but 1 alcohol. Final statement: 1 propane, 2 propane, 3 propane. So 3 moles of propane upon hydroboration and oxidation, it gives a product is nothing but 3 moles of what, Nana? Propanol. So just you see the reactant and product, Nana. Here reactant is nothing but alkene, product is nothing but alcohol. So H given to central carbon and OH given to first carbon, means OH given to first carbon. That means here we are following the rule is nothing but anti-Markovnikov addition of water. When we observe this reaction from reactant to product, we can clearly observe that yes, here addition of water takes place. That water was added against of, sorry, as per what Nana? Anti-Markovnikov rule. So here from reactant to product, we can say that addition of water was takes place by following the rule is nothing but what Nana? Anti-Markovnikov rule. It was very important. Some other important points I want to show you. They are important for objective point of view about hydroboration oxidation reaction. Right, Nana? So in hydroboration oxidation reaction, boron will be act as electrophile. Boron contains charge plus. Surrounding hydrogens going to be act as what, Nana? H minus. In this reaction, no rearrangement will be takes place. Means secondary to tertiary. ऐसे convert करके stability बनाने की जरूरत नहीं है. Here no more rearrangement, no more migration of hydrogen or methyl shift. Right. And it is nothing but stereospecific reaction. It is also very important. Sir, what is mean by stereospecific? Around the double bond, addition of H, addition of BH2, both should be takes place from the same phase, Nana. And also we can say that around the double bond, addition of H, addition of OH, addition of H, addition of OH, both should be takes place from the same plane or from the same phase. That is nothing but syn addition. Such mechanism is called stereospecific reaction. Right. So in hydroboration oxidation, total how many steps are there? 2 steps. One is hydroboration, one more is oxidation. Hydroboration with reaction with diborane, oxidation with what, Nana? Hydrogen peroxide. Right. And this mechanism goes to be takes place. Which mechanism? Hydroboration and oxidation. This reaction goes to be takes place, okay, now by the formation of via a intermediate state. That is nothing but we have to say that transition state. Can you show the formula of transition state? Let us. I will show you, Nana. What is the compound? Propene. Okay. CH3 bonded to CH bonded to CH2 due to presence of positive methyl group. Okay, I mean positive inductive effect to bond going to be shifted towards the CH2 and carbon contain charge plus goes to be attacked by what I told you, H minus. Okay, H minus. And this is nothing but which group? Here BH2 is there, H is there, nothing but BH3. BH3 attacks upon propane from the syn addition. That's why I told you stereospecific, Nana. Yes, and B contains charge plus going to be attacks upon CH2 minus. So this is your main important, Nana. So we have to say that this is called what, beta? Is intermediate. Okay, now or we can say what, Nana? Transition state. So upon double bond, addition of H and addition of BH2, both going to be attack on double bond from the same side. Such mechanism is nothing but stereospecific, or we can say that syn addition. So these are the main points of what, Nana? Hydroboration oxidation reaction. Final, again, once again, I am going to say the statement. Alkanes on reaction with diborane or borane in presence of THF gives trialkyl borane. This is an intermediate, which upon oxidation with hydrogen peroxide in presence of alkali gives 1 alcohols, or we can say, okay, now OH going to attack upon first position. Let us go for second reaction, Nana, and in third one, oxymercuration and demercuration reaction. This reaction was, okay, important only for objective point of view. Theory में आपको कोई भी नहीं पूछते बेटा एग्जाम में, only for objective. Let us go for oxymercuration and demercuration reaction. इसका statement क्या हो सकता है? Here also same thing we have to take. First of all, alkanes. Alkanes on reaction with mercuric acetate. Alkanes on reaction with what, beta? Mercuric acetate. What is the formula of mercuric acetate? HgOAc taken twice. Means here CH3COO. Acetate ion we have to be take. So we have to say that mercuric acetate. Alkanes on reaction with mercuric acetate and followed by reaction with water. Again same thing in presence of THF base. It gives the intermediate mercurinium intermediate. What is the intermediate, beta? Mercurinium intermediate. Upon that mercurinium intermediate, now there will be attack of what will be takes place? Nucleophilic attack will be takes place. After attacking of nucleophile on mercurinium intermediate, we are getting the one more unstable form. This is also we can say intermediate form. This is nothing but beta hydroxy mercuric acetate. Beta hydroxy mercuric acetate. Now that beta hydroxy mercuric acetate undergo the second step. This is nothing but demercuration. Demercuration will be takes place only upon reaction with sodium borohydride, NaBH4. It acts as what, Nana? Reducing agent. So in presence of this reducing agent, beta hydroxymercuric acetate, it intermediate, it goes to be undergo what, Nana? Demercuration, and finally we are getting the product is nothing but two alcohols. In hydroboration oxidation reaction, we are getting one alcohol. In oxymercuration demercuration reaction, we are getting two alcohol. Here it follows anti-Markovnikov rule. That's why one alcohol means here it follows Markovnikov rule. That's why we are getting what, beta? Two alcohols. I hope you understand. Once again, I am going to give the statement. Alkanes on reaction with mercuric acetate in presence of water. Alkanes on reaction with mercuric acetate followed by reaction with water in presence of THF, that forms an intermediate, mercurinium intermediate, which upon by nucleophilic attack it gives one more intermediate, beta hydroxymercuric acetate. So it upon demercuration gives what is the product, Nana? Second alcohols, means two alcohols, means OH should be attacks upon second carbon as per Markovnikov addition. Okay, now here we can see the addition of water will be takes place here according to which rule, beta? Markovnikov rule. Let us, I will show the equation. Right, alkene, again same alkene I am going to take. What is alkene? Propene. CH3 bonded to CH, double bond is nothing but CH2. Okay, beta. Right, alkenes undergo reaction with what? Mercuric acetate, HgOAC. OAC second choice. Here oxygen contain two lone pair. And here followed by reaction with what will be takes place? Reaction with water will be takes place. So from water, first of all, I am going to take only H plus. OH story we will consider later. OH minus means nucleophile के नीचे consider करेंगे बेटा. Right. Again same thing. Here carbon contain charge plus, and don't need to write anything. Leave it, Nana. So first of all, it's going to be donated so lone pair to one of the carbon. Automatically this pi bond goes to be shifted towards, again same thing, Nana, mercury. So due to here lone pair of mercury given to this H2 carbon and pi bond was shifted to again mercury. So after the pi bond delocalization, from this mercuric acetate we can remove one of the acetate ion. That acetate ion combines with H plus and removed in the form of acetic acid. CH3COOH. Acetic acid we can remove, Nana, because of mercuric acetate. Here two acetate ions are there. One of the acetate ion going to be removed in the form of acetic acid by taking H plus from water. Now I am going to give the intermediate, that is nothing but mercurinium. CH3 bonded to CH. CH3 bonded to CH. Double bond becomes single bond. Double bond becomes single bond. Okay. Again, what is the group, beta? CH2. What is the group? CH2. So here mercury donating its lone pair and CH also giving its what a pi bond. So here upon the double bond we are going to attack the mercuric acetate. HgOAC. Mercuric acetate, two acetate ions are there. One is removed in the form of acetic acid. One more is nothing but HgOAC. But mercury donating its lone pair, so we have to change the charge is nothing but plus. Mercury plus. Plus means EM. Which EM? Mercurinium intermediate. Now upon that mercurinium intermediate, we are going to add the attacking of OH minus. OH minus is nothing but nucleophile. So in oxymercuration demercuration reaction, where we have to attack the nucleophile. Nucleophile attacks at more substituted site. Nucleophile attacks at more substituted site. So this is the nucleophile. First carbon is less substituted site. Second carbon is more substituted site. So on that more substituted side, now we are going to attack the nucleophile. So attacking of nucleophile takes place at more substituted sites. By the nucleophilic attack, automatically here this bond going to be is what, Nana? Delocalized, or we can say it going to be decomposed. So a bond यहाँ पर shift होने के बाद automatically positive charge becomes neutral. Then what we are getting? CH3 bonded to CH. From the above plane, must and should mercurinium के opposite से add करना पड़ेगा. That is nothing but what we are adding? OH. Again the bond is nothing but CH2. CH2 below plane Hg. Hg bonded to OAC. Now you can see, Nana. This is alpha carbon and this is beta carbon. Beta carbon connected to hydroxy. Beta hydroxy propyl mercuric acetate. I told you here. Beta hydroxy propyl, sorry, here we are getting the intermediate is nothing but beta hydroxy alkyl mercuric acetate, and what we are getting here, beta hydroxy propyl mercuric acetate. Now that beta hydroxy alkyl mercuric acetate unstable form undergo demercuration. Demercuration takes place by using sodium borohydride. Means simply we have to do reduction. How many hydrogens we have to be provided? 2 hydrogen. So in presence of sodium borohydride, means upon demercuration step, here bond going to be break here. 1 hydrogens we are providing here, 1 more hydrogens we are going to be provided here. Okay, right. CH3 bond CH above plane OH. CH3 bond CH above plane OH. Again bonded to CH2 and H, means what we are getting beta? CH3, means we are getting propanol, or we can say that 2 propanol, means OH attacks upon second position, we have to say that 2 alcohol. But here in hydroboration oxidation, 1 alcohol, in oxymercuration demercuration we are getting 2 alcohol. It follows anti-Markovnikov, and it follows what, Nana? Markovnikov addition of water molecule or OH, Nana. Ready? Right. Remaining is nothing but here we are getting free mercury ion, and here also ACOH, means here we are getting 1 more byproduct with 1 more mole of what, Nana? Acetic acid. So overall in this reaction, how many moles of acetic acid we are getting? 2 moles of acetic acid, and we are getting free mercury and propene, or we can say that alkene. Propene, or we can say that alkene. Propene changes into 2 propanol, but in hydroboration oxidation reaction, propene changes into 1 propanol. It follows anti-Markovnikov. Here in oxymercuration demercuration, it follows Markovnikov addition of water. Again same thing, it is also 2-step reaction. Again same thing, here also no more rearrangement, but here very important point is no more carbocation formation. Next, a nucleophile attacks at more substituted site. CH2 is less substituted site, and OH second carbon is more substituted site. On that more substituted site, we have to attack the nucleophile. Yes, these are the staircase. And this is also nothing but stereospecific reaction. HBO, hydroboration oxidation. It is also stereospecific, but syn addition, and this is nothing but what, Nana? Trans addition. Back attack of nucleophile taking place. So this is nothing but anti-addition. Yes, here also addition of nucleophile is taking place in particular direction only. Must and should I say follow karna padega. That's why we are saying this is also stereospecific. A be stereospecific, but यहाँ पर syn addition, but वहाँ पर trans addition. Okay, beta. Yes, this is a story about the hydroboration, oxidation, and oxymercuration and demercuration reactions. Final thing, propane changes into 1 propanol. Means alkene changes into 1 alcohol. Here is alkene changes into 2 alcohol. Alkene changes into 1 alcohol as per anti-Markovnikov addition of water. Alkene changes into 2 alcohol as per Markovnikov addition of water. This is syn addition, that is nothing but what, Nana? Anti addition, or we can say opposite में nucleophilic attack करना पड़ेगा at more substituted site. Next preparation we will discuss in next class.